Hi, my name is Paul and I work for Emergent Game Technologies. Today I'm going to show you how to pull Ignite and Alpha Game. So first we're going to navigate to pulse.emergent.net and that will bring us to this page. From here we're going to scroll down and click on the Emergent Wiki link. So this will take you to the main wiki page. From here we can see a bunch of different options. We're interested in the Ignite project, but you could be interested in other things. Perhaps you want to know, for example, what art tools are supported. So that's here under Art Issues, and or what SDKs are required to build, and that would be under New Game Real Users. So again, the Pulse Wiki, useful place for information, and it's a wiki. Feel free to edit it. So we're going to click on the Ignite project. This will give us an overview of the Ignite project. This documentation, this wiki page is documentation for the Ignite project. So we'll scroll down to downloading Spark and Alpha Game, and this will give us instructions. So we want to download Spark and Alpha Game and anything else in this SVN. So we're going to copy and paste this link, but we would rather have more than, we would rather not have to pull them each individually. So we're going to navigate to the link here and we see, well, what happens if we go up one directory? Alright, up one directory, it's got Alpha Game, Multiplayer Game, and Spark. So we're going to pull down all of those. So we're going to pull from this URL, not the one previous. And again, make sure you're doing latest if you want latest, or stable if you want stable. So we're just going to create a new folder on our desktop. We're going to call it Alpha Game. Perform an SVN checkout. Paste that link in there, and hit OK. It'll prompt for your username, so you enter your username and your password, and you're going to want to check Save Authentication, and it will pull down Alpha Game. So now we've got Alpha Game, Ignite, and Spark all being pulled. So while that's going on in the background, I'm going to show you how to set them up. So I've got a previous copy of that pulled down here. You'll notice it's in a folder called Latest because it's from Latest, and this has not been updated, so it may not match what you have. In here there's a folder called Spark. This should match what you have. In Spark there's a README and a setup. The README will tell you have to run setup/setupspark.bat. So in the setup folder there's a setupspark.bat. Now we can't double click this because I'm running Vista or Win 7, so we're going to have to run a command prompt. I'm going to make sure it's running as an administrator. Then we'll have to navigate to that folder. So for me it's Latest on my C drive, Spark, and then Setup. From here we can run Setup Spark, hit enter, and this is going to copy specific folders to your media directory, so you have the Spark media library and such, and it will install Toolbench plugin and it'll register an environment variable. So we now have that set up. We can now close this out. If that doesn't work for you, you may need to reboot, but that's as bad as it should be. And then we can go into build in the Spark directory, and then Win32 or whatever platform you're on, and load the EGM Spark project. At this point we'll be able to build EGM Spark, and after EGM Spark is built, we'll go to Alpha Game, build Win32, again, whatever solution you want, or if you're a different platform, Alpha Game, you'll be able to load that, and then build Alpha Game. So that's it for this video. That's how you pull and build Alpha Game. The next video in the series should talk about a basic overview of Spark and what is in Spark Core, and then an overview of Alpha Game and how you use that.